In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to OneDrive, a quick and easy integration that should only take about 5 minutes. To start off, let's navigate to zapier.com. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a powerful automation tool that can help you link various applications to make your workflow smoother. Once you're on the site, the first thing you'll want to do is either sign up or log in, depending on whether you already have an account. If you're new to Zapier, the sign up process is quite straightforward, but those who already have an account can head straight to logging in. After you're logged in, the next step is typing in your trigger on the Zapier dashboard. A trigger essentially acts as the starting point or the event that sets off your integration process. The interface is user friendly and you just need to follow the prompts. Once you've set up your trigger, go ahead and click on the send button. This action will initiate the first step of your integration and confirm that you're ready to proceed. Now let's move on to clicking on try it. This button is usually visible after you've set your initial parameters. Clicking here allows Zapier to show you a preview of the integration between Google Drive and OneDrive. It's like a test run, ensuring that everything is in place before we start the actual setup. The following step involves Zapier asking you to set up your Google Drive connection. Here you'll need to grant Zapier permission to access your Google Drive files. It's important to carefully review the permission request, considering that Zapier will be working with your files to ensure a seamless connection. After your Google Drive is set, you'll need to specify the trigger event. For this tutorial, we're selecting New File in Folder. This means that anytime a new file is added to a specific folder in your Google Drive, it will automatically trigger an event in OneDrive. The next step is setting up your OneDrive connection, where you follow a similar process as Google Drive. You'll need to give Zapier access to your OneDrive account, ensuring all necessary permissions are authorized for the integration to work smoothly. Once both Google Drive and OneDrive are set up, Zapier will confirm that everything is connected. With this integration, any new file added to the specified Google Drive folder will automatically sync to your OneDrive, saving you the hassle of manual transfers. If you run into any challenges or have queries, Zapier provides robust support to guide you through any hiccups you experience. Their support center offers resources and personalized support, so feel free to reach out if needed. And there you have it, a seamless integration between Google Drive and OneDrive, effortlessly set up with Zapier.